So here I am with another self-portrait. I don't know. Do I really have anything to say? The thing is, I'm recording these because I really want to find out what is it I'm looking for. Really. Not just fooling myself into thinking I want something, then later finding out that perhaps that's not really what I want. So, what is it that would make me happy? I would like to paint. You know? Just paint every day. Be able to afford to paint every day. Visit someplace strange. I like to visit Japan. I like to go to Japan because it's different from where I'm from. I always talk about Haiti a lot, but I haven't been to Haiti since 1986. A lot of Haitians ask me why I'm not so excited to go back. I'm not in a hurry because I think seeing Haiti how it is now would break my heart very much. I love my people and I want to see them do better. I want to see them be proud of who they are. Love who they are. Love each other. Why do Haitians hate other Haitians so much? We don't like to support each other too much, do we? I guess that goes for a lot of black culture, African culture. Perhaps, I don't know. But I think your heart breaks more when something bad is done to you by your own people, by your own country, by your own family, by those who should be looking out for you. So, pretty much, what I would like right now is just to live my life without pain. That's difficult. I always talk about sickle cell because I'm supposed to help raise sickle cell awareness in this country or something. I don't know. That's not my job really, but I don't know. It's just not too many people speak about sickle cell disease, and I know a little bit about it. Sickle cell is a blood disorder that you inherit from both your parents' genes. They both have sickle cell trait, or one of them have sickle cell. It's when you're... So what happens is, let's see. Check out my painting. I think I explained that enough. Little round blood cells turn into a half moon shape. They get stuck in your veins and it really hurt. So every single day of my life, I'm bothered by this thing. And because mostly black folks have it, research is very, very slow. Not because black folks don't care about their own community. Yeah. Well, I don't know. We have other problems, don't we? But beyond sickle cell, I have a lot of issues, I guess. When I was 14, I saw my own mother die. And I still remember that every day. I loved my mother. I don't know why. I had so much love for this woman. She was my world. And to have that taken from you at such a young age, I become so, I don't know, like putty in women's hands. You know, I'd do anything for a woman. But it's very hard when you love someone who doesn't really take your best interest in mind.